Hello, Tamika here. How is everyone doing this evening? Okay, you guys, there's miraculous things going on. First of all, the video that you see of my mom walking back started when it was light outside, and she was still walking when it was dark. The liquid light is a game changer. The liquid light, it starts to repair all the trillions of cells that is in the body. They told me in Africa that people are dying every single day now there. Every day. I can't even imagine. And I know it's happening all over. You know, there's 95% of the entire globe are sick. And the one thing I need, you guys, I'm taking the liquid light and just going to heal everybody in sight, because people are sick today, you guys. What the government have done to this planet, to the people, to humanity on a global level. So my passion is to get down to the answer. I want to go ahead and show you what you need to heal the body, and just that's it. You're healed. And now I found liquid light. It's amazing. It's amazing. So yeah. So I'll just keep you guys posted with my mother and also my cancer client. And the first day that he took it, he worked out for 25 minutes and got a boost of energy. Before, could only work out 5 minutes. So below I have all the information about the liquid light, how you can access it. I would not recommend ordering it on Amazon. The company said only order directly through them because people are duplicating it just to make money. The true liquid light only comes from the company that is in Utah. To get us back into a 100% healthy state, to get all of our DNA strands, all of our telomeres, all of our ATPs all grown back and get us back in a healthy state like we once was before. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, you guys, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.